स्क्रीन तक जुड़े हुए हैं. दिस इज द ओनली फिल्म कि आपने उसको लिखा भी, आपने उसमें गाने भी लिखे, आपने उसमें डायरेक्टर्स को भी बहुत मदद की, डायलॉग्स भी लिखे. कैसे ये कितना, हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू थिंक अबाउट ए फिल्म और उसको स्क्रीन तक ले जाना.
पहले तो आनंद जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप यहाँ पर आए और इस सेशन को मॉडरेट कर रहे हैं. आनंद जी स्वयं एक बहुत ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड एंड राइटर्स एंड आई रियली लव हिज वर्क. सो थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर. वन राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम प्लीज. Yes, you're talking about thought to screen. It's important to discuss something like that, especially आज ही सुबह हम लोग we were talking about the 100 creative minds, and I've been part of this process for a very long time. कि भाई हमारे देश में this topic is something which interests me immensely, is also because I feel that we have a lot of story idea infanticide which happens. Stories की भ्रूण हत्या हो जाती है. जब आपके मन में कहानी या एक आइडिया आता है तो उस आइडिया को मूर्त रूप देने के लिए the idea comes to life. That entire process tires you out thinking about it and you somehow feel, how will I ever see this coming to life? So it's very important that we talk about it, because all of us come up with many ideas in our everyday life, and आनंद जी इतने सारे ideas होते हैं जो कि बहुत ही जल्दी दम तोड़ देते हैं. And when it happens to you as a creative person, as a thinker or a writer, आपको लगता है ये तो बहुत खूबसूरत मोमेंट है, ये मुझे दूसरों से शेयर करना है, ये बात मुझे लोगों तक पहुंचानी है. But when you follow that, yeah.
Sorry for the interruption. Can we have it in English? Can we have it in English?
English mostly? Yeah. I'll just dabble a bit because that's okay. I think I'm a bilingual person. I have no problem in sort of whichever way you want it. The idea is to understand what I'm actually intending to say. The process tires you out. And there are so many practical and creative limitations which you see. And hence, somewhere you lose the faith in yourself. That, listen, I was so excited with this thought. And it seems when I am narrating it or I am telling someone, the same impact is not happening. It's not resonating with the people in the same way. It made me cry, and it's not making people cry. It made me laugh. It's not making people laugh. Because if you see that Jungian collective subconscious, हम सब लोगों का एक सामूहिक अवचेतन है. There is a collective. मैं आपसे बात इसलिए कर पाता हूँ because you and me share a certain space with which we can talk. Whether it's a language, he asked me to speak in English because probably that's, see, language का आप जो भी language के experts हैं, you know that in our there is para, there is prashanti, there is madhyama, there is dakhari in Sanskrit. The language we speak from our tongue, ये जो the one we are expressing, actually language is happening much before it, somewhere deep down us. Language, this is only an expression. I sometimes feel that, and I've spoken with musicians also about this. A.R. Rahman and me have spoken about this. Some of other my good music friends have spoken about this thought, that probably the best music or the best poetry will happen in silence. When I don't have to say anything, you don't have to hear anything, and you are hearing that eternal sound which you're connected with. There is somewhere deep down, silence is the ultimate language. Because if you see any language which we speak, whichever language you speak, is somewhere incapable of expressing the very minute thought which is happening in you. You're trying your body language, your eyes, कभी आंखों की भाषा यूज करते हैं आप, kabhi aap body language and gestures you use, sometimes you use words, and also I just want to double a bit here. When people, being the, also chair as film certification board, I hear this question, Manoj ji, aap yahan baithe hain, this question a lot of times, that the language is, not, people are using abusive language in an everyday life. Where is, where is our society going? And see, I don't want to take any value judgment here, but as a writer, I'm purely telling you, not as a head of certification board, I feel language is harder. If you resort to easy language, it's very easy to use 4 letters, very easy. Lazy people use that language. The people who want to work hard with language, try and work hard and choose beautiful words, because there are beautiful words. Your vocabulary, as big as your vocabulary is, better your expression will be. So let's work hard on our vocabulary.
इसीलिए प्रसून जी, मैं आई ऑलवेज से दैट कोई भी शब्द कठिन या आसान नहीं होता, परिचित या अपरिचित होता है। अगर आप शब्द से परिचित हैं तो वो आपको आसान लगेगा, और आप नहीं परिचित हैं तो वो आपको कठिन लगेगा। और ऐसे भी गोदाद ने कहा ही है कि सिनेमा इज द फेयरवेल टू लैंग्वेज। तो जो बात आप कह रहे हैं अभी कि भावों से होता है, तो ये बहुत सारी चीज। लेकिन मैं आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन।
This question you just to answer that, from thought to coming to life, it's a process which really requires a lot of technical knowledge. And in the morning also I said there in the Creative Minds that of the fact that we need to make sure that our films are mystical, our films have X factor, but we reduce and remove the mysticism from filmmaking. Filmmaking is a process which should be transparent, available. Your subject will decide how beautiful it is, how great it is, how it resonates with people. But जो फिल्म बनाने का प्रोसेस है वो इतना मुश्किल और इतना कठिन और दुष्कर नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो that filmmaking process is something which is mystical. अरे some हिम्मत वाला makes a film, टैलेंट वाला नहीं, जिसके पास हिम्मत होगी, बजट होगा, ये होगा, नहीं, वो सारा प्रोसेस आप सिंप्लीफाई करिए. It's high time we do that for our youngsters. That people who've taken so much of intrigue into filmmaking, yes, there is intrigue into what you say. Of course, you are a creative person. Your poetry, your music, your films have intrigue and X factor, but not the filmmaking. The filmmaking has to be made very accessible so that the storytelling, this something which scares you, that this thought will not resonate with people. That fear, we'll have to work towards it. And it is as much as the responsibility of the people who are, senior people here. I feel that's the reason it's important to listen to them. And it's the responsibility of the seekers like you, who probably are youngsters sitting here. I'm not talking to people like Manoj ji here who are siddhast logon se nahi keh raha hu. So that is the process. I would say this has to be demystified.
Prasoon ji, since you are the master of all the formats, like reel का जमाना है, अभी आप सब लोग रील देखते रहते हैं, तो 30 seconders भी he can write. He can write poetry in longer format. He can write script. He can write dialogues. और किताबें, कविताएं, लंबी कविताएं, छोटी कविताएं, सब आप लिखते हैं. तो जो हम बात कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम थॉट टू स्क्रीन की, इसमें कितना मुश्किल होता है. एक छोटा सा मुझे किस्सा याद आता है. राज कपूर साहब से सचिन भौमिक मिलने गए थे, और सचिन भौमिक वाज द वेरी वर्सेटाइल राइटर ऑफ हिज एज. तो वो 16-17 फिल्में बैक टू बैक हिट हुई थी. लोग राजेश खन्ना के बारे में जानते हैं, सचिन भौमिक साहब की भी फिल्में हिट होती थी. इवेंट टू मेट राज कपूर. राज कपूर साहब ने उनसे पूछा कि भौमिक साहब आप बताओ, आपकी कहानी 2 लाइन में बताइए मुझे. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सब लोग सिद्धस्त लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ, वो पूछते भी हैं कि व्हाट इज योर स्टोरी इन 2 लाइनर्स. 2 लाइनर्स बताइए, व्हाट इज द स्टोरी. तो सचिन भौमिक साहब नहीं बता पाए। दिन राज कपूर ने उनको बोला कहानी एक ही है, राम था, रावण था, राम था, सीता थी, रावण आ गया। दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ एनी फिल्म। एक हीरो था, एक हीरोइन थी, एक विलेन आ गया। जैसे कहते हैं ना कि कहानी सबसे अच्छी क्यों, एक राजा था, एक रानी थी, एक राजा था, एक रानी थी, खत्म हो गई कहानी। तो ये जो फॉर्मेट में फंसता है, स्क्रीन टू फ्रॉम थॉट टू स्क्रीन, ये जो अलग अलग फॉर्मेट्स हैं, आप चूंकि ऐसे वर्सटाइल व्यक्तित्व तो हमारे साथ हैं जो ये जानते हैं कि हर फॉर्मेट्स की कला कैसे उसको मास्टर किया जाता है। तो अभी जो बडिंग यहाँ फिल्मकार बैठे हैं जो आपसे जानना चाहते हैं, हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू राइट इन शॉर्टर फॉर्मेट एंड इन लॉन्गर फॉर्मेट।
See, it doesn't matter when I approach anything, even a short film or a haiku to a long poem to a song or a poem or a script. I think first of all, you need to have a very clear vision, very clear belief and vision that what I'm trying to say, I want to say it. Believe me, it is not important if people tell you, अरे ये काम करेगा, this will not work, जो बिकता है वही टिकता है, बहुत सी बातें आपको सुनने को मिलेंगी। But I think it's very important that first step is correct. Your faith and belief in what you are trying to say is immensely. It could be absolutely personal. मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देता हूँ. When I wrote तारे ज़मीं पर the song माँ, yeah, I could write for many days. I thought if the people who are familiar with the script writing, you know, and how we have song format there, we normally describe the song. We write, oh, then there will be a separation song. That's what was supposed to be there, yeah. And there could be various ways of writing a separation song. And I was challenged by it, that how do I make it unique? And I always believe that as film writers and film creators, we have a platform to also share something very personal. If you don't have that tone in it, that touch of yours, then you are a machine. You can't be a machine. You're not a slot machine that यहाँ से आपने script डाली, वहाँ से acting निकल गई. That is not how you are built. There is something very deeply personal which you share. That's the platform you're looking for. And I kept on struggling with it, and I went back to my childhood when my parents were teachers. My mother had to go for a teacher's training program. And I was a young boy in Uttarakhand. And I was, boys being the eldest in my sisters, I was, you act very brave. I used to act brave. Yes, you are going fine. I'll be fine without you. There's no problem. But deep down, I didn't know how to live without my mom. And I just went back to that the feeling I had at that moment. And that's exactly what I wrote. मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूं मैं मां. यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूं मैं मां. And then somewhere, तुझे सब है पता है ना मां. And I went with that thought. जब भी कभी पापा मुझे जो जोर से झूला झुलाते हैं माँ, मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे, सोचूं यही तो आके थामेगी माँ. उनसे मैं ये कहता नहीं, पर सहम जाता हूं मैं माँ. चेहरे पे आने देता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराता हूं मैं माँ. तुझे समय पता है ना. Now, deeply personal experience with faith, when you go with it, it becomes universal. And that faith is what you should have in your craft. Practice as much as possible. your craft. Remember, when the opportunities will knock at your door, you will not have time to practice. You would have heard that the falcon attacks the prey, catches the prey, goes up, flies up, and drops the prey alive. The question is, why did the falcon was not hungry, but why did it catch the prey? Because it was practicing the art of hunting, so that when you are hungry, you do not commit the mistake. And that's what you should remember. Keep practicing, 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 so that when the opportunity comes, your craft comes to help you, says, don't worry, I'm there. You follow your thought. You honestly follow what you are wanting to say, and the craft will be there as your ally to help. So you have to have mastery in what you do. More and more you do, better you will get at it. No books can teach you that. You have to imbibe that, you have to practice that, so that it's your left hand. And then you follow your thought to the core. Be honest, be authentic. That's all you can do. And that's what I can just share. This is no teaching. I can only share what I have learned. And I believe that unless you experience it, you don't learn it.
प्रसून जी, ये तो ठीक कहा आपने, बट हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू कन्वर्ट द पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, जो आपके व्यक्तिगत अनुभव थे. आपने कहा कि आपने, हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू मेक इट यूनिवर्सल. कैसे इसको, कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है ये. जैसे आपके घर का अनुभव था, आपने बताया, आपने उसको कन्वर्ट किया, आपने बताया, पर ये क्राफ्ट करना कितना डिफिकल्ट या कैसे कर पाते हैं, तो अपील पूरे समाज को करता है.
जब आप शुरू में करते हैं, तो मैं जब शुरू में हिंदी कविताएं लिखता था, तो मेरी माँ मुझे कठिन काव्य का प्रेत कहती. और क्योंकि मैं I would invariably use very difficult words. And when you feel that you're writing poetry, and you have to also exhibit that you know the language. आप बड़ी बड़े शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. And later on you realize कि भाई ये कुछ बात बनी नहीं है, मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ मुझे पता नहीं, कुछ बड़े भारी लफ्ज तो हो गए, लफाजी हो गई, बट कनेक्शन नहीं आया किसी से. तो व्हाट यू आर सीकिंग इज कनेक्ट. भाई अपनी बात, व्हाई आर यू एक्सप्रेसिंग, आप अपनी बात, आप फिल्म क्यों बना रहे हैं? लेट्स फेस इट, यू वांट पीपल टू रेजोनेट विद योर थॉट, यू वांट पीपल टू अप्रिशिएट. या आपको ऐसा लगता है, I'm not saying you can't be altruistic about it. You can be absolutely altruistic. That I do believe that I was gifted with this beautiful feeling which I had. I want everyone to go through this feeling. It could be that noble as this as well. Or you could be as brutal as saying, I love people applauding. I love people clapping for me. I want to see that. मुझे वो चाहिए. कुछ भी चाहिए आपको. लेकिन आप अपनी बात लेके बाहर निकले. और जिस दिन अपनी बात लेके आप बाहर निकल गए हैं, उस दिन आप स्वांतः सुखाय लेखन से बाहर. स्वांतः सुखाय मीन्स जस्ट फॉर पर्सनल ग्रेटिफिकेशन. यू नॉट क्रिएटिंग एनी मोर, यू आर क्रिएटिंग फॉर मोर देन दैट. So you'll have to respect, you'll have to understand that there is a way I need to communicate this. And that's where you have to learn the process. That is why an editor will tell you why I will not cut here, I will cut at this juncture, because here people will be able to, otherwise I'll lose my audience here. So a screenwriter will tell you that I don't want to make this match cut or a jump cut. I want to have a match cut here. तो ये सब चीजें आप करते हैं because you want to communicate. And that is what you learn over the years, that yes, it's fantastic that you want to share your thoughts with people, but there is a process out there. And that process needs to be learned.
आपको आपकी पूज्य माता जी कठिन काव्य का प्रेत कहती थी. एक प्रेत इन दिनों और आया हुआ है, which is called AI, है ना. उससे इस इमोशंस को या इस क्राफ्ट को कितना खतरा है या कितना सुविधाजनक है, या फिल्म मेकिंग पर कैसे इम्पैक्ट डालेगा एआई जब आप पर्सनल को यूनिवर्सल क्रिएट कर रहे हो उस क्राफ्ट को?
AI is something which, first of all, I don't take AI lightly. I don't think AI is it's an intervention. It's something which we haven't seen before. It's unprecedented, and if you think that there is something which will be able to tell you, teach you about how to deal with AI, or people earlier have dealt with, no, they haven't. There was Sam Altman was there. Times of India had kind of meet, and I heard Sam Altman there. He was here, and we got to spend some time. AI is something which fascinates me in everything I do in the corporate world or in films. I see AI. People earlier when AI was earlier at a very incubation phase. People felt that AI is not going to impact creative people. It will come and take other kind of very mechanical jobs away, and that's what people predicted at that time. What happened with AI is absolutely different. AI first interfered with creative world. AI has started mastering something which we take a lot of pride in, that is language. The turn of phrase, the language, वहां पर AI पहले दस्तक दे चुकी है। अब सवाल है कि what is going to happen? I feel सुबह भी बात हो रही थी कुछ आपके जर्नलिस्ट फ्रेंड से। देखिए, जहां भी गणित है किसी भी तरह का, that AI will be able to do. If your poetry अगर लफ्फाजी है तो लफ्फाजी AI कर देगा और आपसे अच्छी लफ्फाजी करेगा। और एक और चीज, मैं द पीपल हु हैव अ लिटिल स्पिरिचुअल सॉर्ट ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन, मैं एक हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं एक इंडियन थिंकिंग में विद्या और अविद्या। अविद्या, द पीपल हु just roughly to explain it, anything which is your product of your mind which distracts you with the ultimate truth is avidya. अविद्या वो है जो आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करती है, तो दिमाग से उपजती, दिमाग का फितूर है, कल्पना है, प्रोजेक्शन है, माया की दुनिया है। एआई हर उस चीज को करने में संभव है जो अविद्या है। एआई सिर्फ विद्या नहीं करेगी। अगर आपकी कविता किसी अल्टीमेट ट्रूथ से नहीं उपजी हुई है, if you're not trying to say something which is born out of that truth, and we can talk till cows come home, I don't want to get into philosophical world what that truth is, but a poet knows what I'm talking about, a creator knows what I'm talking about. आपका सूक्ष्माति सूक्ष्म कंपन अगर है, उस कंपन को, that minute vibration which is happening in you, if that is what you are seeking to express, you will beat AI. If it is all about amusement with words and even music, anything which is about juxtaposition, jumbling up, multiplication, that AI will be able to do. Another thing, AI will create a lot of separation, degree of separation between the creator and creation. कि दूरी बढ़ जाती है आपकी। ऐसा नहीं है कि क्रिएटिव प्रोडक्ट नहीं आएगा। म्यूजिक एआई अगर से बनता है, एआई से अगर आपको कल को फिल्म बन की स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है या आपको पोइट्री मिलती है, तो पोइट्री तो सफर नहीं कर रही है, पोएट सफर कर रहा है। द डिग्री ऑफ सेपरेशन बिटवीन यू एंड द क्रिएशन इज इंक्रीज्ड। जो आपकी कलम से छिड़क कर आप लिखते थे, वो फिर टाइपराइटर पे चला गया, अब टाइपराइटर से भी चला गया, आपने बोलने लगे, और बोलने के बाद अब आपने सिर्फ प्रॉम्प्ट्स देना शुरू कर दिया। सो द प्रॉम्प्ट्स इज व्हाट इज लीडिंग द होल थिंग नाउ। सो इट इज द प्रॉम्प्टर, नॉट द क्रिएटर। The creator has gone there, the prompter is you. So there is a lot to think about it, how we will function with AI. And there is a dystopian view of it, there is a utopian view of it. You know, that dystopian view is that it will destroy the human mind, the way we work, and the utopian world is that we will be able to create art, which is very beautiful art, which is for our satisfaction. वो आर्ट हम क्रिएट कर पाएंगे. ये दो एकदम डायगनली ऑपोजिट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एक साथ चल रहे हैं, और मुझे लगता है ट्रूथ विल बी समवेयर इन बिटवीन. ये पेंडुलम कहीं बीच में सेटल होगा. कुछ हम में से उस पेंडुलम को पकड़ के लटक जाएंगे, और शायद वो कहीं बीच में बैलेंस से कुछ होगा. पर एआई को हल्के में नहीं लेना चाहिए, उसे समझने की आवश्यकता है, उस पर विचार की आवश्यकता है, डिस्कशंस की आवश्यकता है.